me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. I hope you are doing really, really well. First of all, can I thank everyone for continuing to DM me and let me know what you feel about my recipes and trying them and sending me pictures. I would like to thank you. It is very, very much appreciated. Keep sending the pictures in. Please keep giving me your feedback. It is really, really appreciated. Now, if you've never seen me before, my name is JB Rose. I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, I'm a mum. I do lifestyle programs here on social media. You'll see all kinds of content from me, singing, music, food, interviews. I'm into the whole lifestyle thing and I'm here to serve you. So guys, thank you very, very much for all your feedback and letting me know what you think about my food, my recipe, my vlogs, my diary, my journey. Now, what am I making today? I am making a healthy kind of cookie. It is a charcoal cookie. Now, it might not look so appetizing, but let me tell you, it is delicious. My kids love it. Let me show you what it looks like. Look, this is how I buy it. Activated charcoal. As you can see, it is black. It is really, really good. People take this if they've got a tummy ache, if they feel bloated. It's a really good detox as well. Just in a glass of water, zip it back. In fact, I'll do it for you in a minute. It really just sucks out all the impurities out of your body. So it's got lots and lots of good properties. I also use it to brush my teeth. They say it's really good to whiten your teeth. So give it a try. But I'm going to use it in my biscuit activated charcoal. Why? Because it's really good for digestion. Did I say that in the list of things I said that was really good about this activated charcoal? Anyway, look, as I'm talking, you'll see all the benefits coming under the screen. Charcoal's good for this, charcoal's good for that. So as promised, I'm going to make a little drink out of it. This is what you do if you really want to detox. You would just take a little teaspoon of activated charcoal and a little bit of water. Do you like my little Jamaica flag tin? All right, and then just mix it all up. Oh, and then literally just drink that. If you wanted to detox, you could drink this every day for a week or so and you feel really, really good. So here we go. It doesn't taste of anything, but I'm going to do this because now I'm going to have black teeth. You're going to go, look at her teeth. Is she auditioning for Oliver or like the poor people in that Bridgerton show? Because look, it makes your teeth very black. But after a while it'll go. Try it as a drink. But as I said, we're going to make it into a biscuit. So here we go. Right, so I've measured everything out already. So I'm going to add 300 grams of self-rising flour. I've got 200 grams of icing sugar in the bowl. And to give it some flavor, I've just grated some lemon rind. And then I have 70 grams of coconut oil going in. I've got 100 grams of almond milk, and that's going to bring it together and make our dough. And simply, that's how you make your biscuits. So I'm going to mix it all up now, all right? There it is, all going in. Lovely, jubbly. Oh, I forgot. A teaspoon of baking powder. Good thing I left it out, you get me? And then we're going to mix it. Quite unconventional. I'm going to mix with a spatula. There's an elephant in the room, guys. You know what it is? I forgot to put the activated charcoal in the biscuit, in it. So here it is. I started mixing and everything, thinking this looks different. This looks like a normal biscuit. What am I doing again? I'm making activated charcoal biscuits. So you want a nice generous tablespoon of activated charcoal. Now we're in business. You know what I'm like? Oh, I forgot that bit. Anyway, look. I'll show you now. Now look. It's going to take a minute to come together. Okay, confession. The spatula ain't really working because it's bendy. I should really just use a wooden spoon. I'm changing this. Yeah, you know what I'm like, right? If you're a true follower of my vlogs, you will know I made it about 2 Christmases ago, but it was a slightly different recipe. Let me show you what it looks like. It looks like a big black blob. You're going, JB, oh, I'm not sure about that. Good for you. Good for you. I'm going to take my mixture. I'm going to roll it out. And I've chosen like a floury biscuit cutter. That's how we're going to do it. It's going to look very pretty. While I'm doing this, guys, did you remember to like and subscribe? If you haven't done, while I'm sorting all this out, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and let me know what you think about my recipe, okay? So here I am. I floured my table. I should actually flour my thing here, and I'm rolling it out. Yes, it's black. I've got to keep telling you, agreeing with you, it is black. And then, as I said, we're just going to make our lovely shapes and put it on the baking tray. Simple things. You see how simple this is? It's the easiest, simplest recipe. There you go, look. I'm going to keep on with this, all right? Loads of biscuits. Loads. The kids are going to be really happy. Now I've got learner of the week is a happy boy. Come and get it. So look, this is the boy, learner of the week. Well done. Fantastic. Where was I? We are putting them in the oven 10 to 15 minutes. Just what we won't add there. When it cools, you'll see what we're going to do. Guys, this is the stash of activated charcoal cookies. My kids are going to be really happy today. So it doesn't end here. What I'm going to do next is the exciting stuff. I've got some ready-made vegan cream. You can get it from the shops. And I'm going to do some magic with some of these. 2 of me cookies, that's very courtly. I've got 2 of me cookies, turn one upside down. You know what I'm going to do, right? I'm going to put the cream in the middle. Woo! And then we're just going to squidge it. Woohoo! How lovely is that going to be? It's very satisfying, squirting cream. I should have got the kids, they'd love doing this. Now you can do it this way, or you could just do it and have just the cream on top. Oh, look how lovely that is, guys. And that's just the flour to stop it from sticking to the baking tray. And I'm just going to keep going like this, guys. Another day, another dollar. I am driving to the accountant. Yes, it is that time of year where we have to file our taxes. And I have done the most boringest thing for the past 2 or 3 days, which is doing my taxes. And now I'm going to deliver it to Mr. Accountant, never to be seen again for another year. But enough about me. How are you all doing, guys? It is midweek. My kids are fine and busy. How's things? How are you all? Are you all right? I hope so. Hi guys, it's a morning run. Can you see how cold it is? It looks like I'm smoking, right? Well, you know, this lockdown thing is really crazy because you really have to find the motivation to kind of go out and exercise. And so although I don't eat sweets and bad things, I do see the weight piling on because I'm just not moving as much. I'm just in front of the computer, that sort of stuff. So I'm really seeing that you have to keep moving somehow, more than normal, because I suppose I would be doing a lot more activity around the house, going places, as well as the exercise. So I am going for another run. I've been exercising every day, but oh man, and guess what? I've got a video coming up real soon. I'm gonna wear a lovely dress, and boy, the way things are looking, that dress ain't gonna be looking good, man. Here we go, guys, let's go for this run. What's really nice, though it's freezing cold, it's also really sunny, so I quite like this run. It's always a bit, oh, I don't want to. When you do it, it's all right. I'm glad I did it. Not over though. Now I'm going to do sit-ups, some weights. I really love the weights these days. Then I'm going to do this week's recipe. Strength training, and it really helps you lose weight as well, actually. It really helps you keep toned. I've got a video on. I'm watching the lady and I'm doing this. Woo! Got to look nice for the music video, guys. Oh my gosh. Music video coming real soon. And I just need to move this tummy. I always get excited when I come back from the fruit and vegetable. Now I've got this really beautiful size, different looking melon, and then lots of pineapple. But these pineapples are ripe, so I'm going to freeze them, guys. Can you see the mushrooms, the tomatoes, oh, mangoes, bananas? This is my stash. It's going to go in the smoothie, but also, as you can see, there are these nuts. Now you know that this is how it begins, you see. What am I going to do with all these nuts? So I'm going to make my own version of something. You watch. So you all do this it tastes like your hairline. What does that mean? Hairline this and hairline that.
A hairline is where?
I know what a hairline is, but why are you using it as a way to sort of put someone down? Your hairline.
Like there's like a roast for it.
Oh, is it a roast? Oh, a roast, yeah?
The roast is dead though.
The roast is dead now.
That means nobody uses it.
Nobody uses it apart from my children.
Oh, no one roasts anymore.
Oh, no one roasts anymore. Okay, yeah. Good. That's good. Didn't like roast anyway. Roasting was really being mean to people, right?
Let's roast that turkey.
Well, yeah, just only roast turkeys or roast vegan food, eh? So Sonic has come all the way to try my biscuits. Anayo Sonic has come to try it. So Anayo Sonic, could you try? He's going in and he's going to eat the biscuit. Let's see what he says. Ooh, give it a good bite.
I ate the cream.
And
it tastes good.
It tastes good. I think he said it tastes good. You don't always just do it so quickly.
Because like I've got other things to do.
Because he's got other things to do. Sorry about that, yeah? My child has other things to do apart from help me with my video. When he's ready, he wants to be in the video and he likes to interrupt me. Anyway, so guys, the verdict was really good. The little one liked it. I have a lovely cup of Red Bush tea. I'm going to dive in and try the biscuits. I'm going to try the one without the cream and see what it tastes like without the cream. Yeah, that does the trick. Really lemony, so charcoal doesn't taste of anything. Just getting the goodness from it. It's a bit grainy, but what I'm getting is the lemon. So it's like a lemon biscuit. The tea is a must. This is delicious. You could even dunk it. It's perfect. So the cream is really complimentary to the biscuit. Sorry, I'm forgetting I'm doing a video here now. I'm just like enjoying it. I'll just have one more bite. Try this recipe and let me know how it goes. So guys, I hope you like my recipe. I hope you like my vlog today. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think. Please try my recipes. I will see you next time. For healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. I'm your girl.